welcome back to Kai's Social Life. Welcome, everybody. So, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can know when I post, and maybe even save the video if you want. Not my fault. But it's the way back to the wrong way. Ooh, that rhyme. I wasn't expecting it to rhyme. I really wasn't. Yeah, part 3 of COVID. Yeah, I really wasn't expecting that to rhyme. I was just saying something random. And I had cooked, bro. I literally cooked. Like, bro, what? But just imagine if the mic wasn't good, bro. Whatever. Question of the day, do you think best vaping is bad? I don't know what I have to do. I love this bro. This looks so cool. I'm gonna try how you do that. Yeah. Gosh, I do not like anyway. Oh, hold on. So sorry, y'all. But the ASMR was good. Clock it. Anyway. Where's the sibling? What? What? But yeah, you guys can't do this to little children. They're 12. Please, just tell me, where is your sister? But I don't know. What do you mean? You literally yelled at her for absolutely nothing. You really think she didn't run away? Of course she did. She's literally hurt by you guys, and then you guys want to take everything out of her. Come on, sis. We're fighting Stacy. I think her name is Isabel. I think this girl's name right here is Isabella, so I'm gonna say Isabella. All right, come on now, Isabella. Fun fact. Never mind. No fun facts anymore. I was going to say something. But never mind. I know it's also been a long time since I've actually posted. I posted like recently, like a few days ago. Like I'm talking about TikTok about what my name is, Kai's Talk Life. By the way, it is not kill yourself _ Talk Life, because KYS means like kill yourself in abbreviations, and I do not mean that. I'm so sorry if that it sounds so weird saying it, you know? Bro, get everything off! Okay, I want to open these presents. So, spoiler alert for the new presents, by the way, so just... Whatever. No. Just no. Anyway. Okay, I honestly do not know where I should make her go, so I just make her do this. And I don't want to pretend this is a hospital because we actually got a hospital. I think this is a location. It's what our location says, so yeah. Oh, we forgot her phone. Oh, so I'm just gonna go take that one. Oh freaking gosh. I hate almost everyone. What is that? Shoot! My locator's still on. Off. It's fine, whatever, I can just go. Gosh, I can't have any moments to myself. I just hate my family so much. Looks to the people before she goes. Oh my gosh, I see my family. Not my family, but my sister and my brother. Oh my freaking gosh. I am stink up here. Lock the door. She just turned off her location. It doesn't matter, come on. How do I break this door open? See, this like axe. I like this as an axe, okay? Boom! Alright, we can go now. Yep, you're right, we can go now. Okay, so where could she be? Her normal hiding spot, the bathroom, where she makes all of her TikToks, like, even though we have rooms, but I don't know. And you see, it's already closed here, so we know this is where she is. So it'll be fine. I'm just mad with our parents still. Oh, come on. Alright. Okay, we don't want to be too loud. That's going to hear us. Wait, okay, let's go. Barges in. By the way, they kicked out the door. Sis, everyone's worried about you. Why are you here? No, why are you guys here? Why are you guys here?
Please say I was not.
I put so much acting into that. Anyway, they just scared. We're sorry. Just want to make sure you're okay. Mom and Dad, they said you're not grounded anymore. They just want to see you. Okay? They said you don't have to forgive them. They said you can do whatever you want. Or just please come back home. Leaving is not the answer. Leaving is the answer. Why can't anyone leave me alone? We're sorry, we did not mean to, okay? We're sorry. We're very sorry. I don't care. Take you and brother back home. How about, by the way, y'all, I need to delete something. My camera rolls. Spoiler alert for the next video. I'm sorry, I just, whatever, I'm gonna go on YouTube real quick, so. Okay, that guy. Okay. Alright. So we're actually going to camera. We're actually going to camera. I'm just going to send the rest of the things like later. I did not mean for that to happen. Hopefully nothing was shared. Yeah. Anyway.
But no one was at Coachella.
I know.
I didn't even
Look, we're just going to get you something to drink, okay? Fine, leave me alone. Just don't want to talk right now. Let him go to bed. Anyway, she was just taking a little nap. Alright, come on. Let's just go fix you something. Yeah, she probably will be like fine, I guess. Bro. Alright, you know. I'm gonna get me some, not coffee. Hold on, just something I made. Alright, never mind. That did not work. Let me just try something new. Act like that. What? Okay, whatever. Let's go drink this. Oh yeah, never mind. We're never tasting coffee ever again.
Shut up!
Stop screaming!
What'd you say?
Stop screaming!
No!
Yeah!
No!
Yeah!
No!
Yeah!
No!
Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah, that's how you
Shut up! I am recording! I will scream your full name out on camera.
Yeah. If you do that, I'm going to tell Mommy. Hey, what are you made of? I don't know. I can't even know.
Of course here when I'm too strong for you. Hold on, everybody. All right, let's go up. Let's. Look at me. Oh,
Look how my lips healing. Look.
that looks so good.
You see, my lips healing. I just ate a pickle.
Oh, I didn't eat another pickle because I already had a pickle. I'm gonna eat one again.
I
Sorry.
ate a pickle.
Anyway, also, do you like pickles, y'all? I like pickles. Me personally, I like pickles. Do y'all like pickles?
Pickler.
What?
Did you see the outfit though? Like,
What outfit?
you saw the one that
Oh,
just
yeah.
had- I think that was so cute.
Wait.
They have, it's in your size.
Okay, cool.
It's 10, so 10 slash 10. Whatever it is. 10 through 20.
Oh, what? I'm kidding. I'm just like, that's, I'm gonna look up. Right. We have tickets to your favorite concert. What? You're joking? No, I am not. It's Cat's Eye and Dragon. Sugar warning, there will be loud noises, so yeah, already put that in the caption. Sorry, y'all. I had to cut the video short. But I had to cut the video short. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna do like, cause I'm gonna make the characters later on. But yeah, please give me to my goal. It's on like this one short. But bye everybody. That Bible video is actually gonna be today. Sorry for procrastinating a lot. I'm just like, yeah. This totally for all the Christians, but I don't care if you're not religious or not. You can still watch it if you want. But bye. You're not about to if it's like it's gonna do some.